Happy birthday, Tita Lady. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, lady! We wish na lahat ng desires mo sa life ay ma-achieve mo kasi you deserve it. And miss ka na ng tropang Beast Mode. See you soon! Again, happy birthday!
Tess, happy birthday. Enjoy ka. I wish you happiness and prosperity sa iyo, sa pamilya mo. Good vibes lang lagi. Saka buwas-buwasan mo yung sobra-sobrang pag-isip. Time!
Hi lady, happy birthday. Wishing you all the happiness, peace, love, blessings, good health for you and your family. Get together soon with Team Beast Mode and I'll see you around. Happy birthday. Enjoy.
Hi, Sisi! Happy birthday! Ang wish namin para sa iyo ngayon ay tunay na pag-ibig at kaligayahan, kapayapaan ng isipan at maayos na kalusugan para sa iyo at sa iyong pamilya, lalong-lalo na kay tita at kay tito at kay Jem. Thank you!
Happy birthday! Ingat!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tata. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tata!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita Tata.
Many more birthdays to come. All the blessed. God bless you. Sana mag-asawa ka na.
Mwah.
Hi, Ate Tata. Happy birthday.
We wish you all the good things and happiness in life, more blessings to come, and enjoy your special day.
Enjoy.
Love you.
See you.
Happy birthday. Wishing you many more birthdays to come. God bless you. We love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ta! Isa kang inspirasyon kung paano maging mabuti at maging mapagmahal na anak at kapatid. So I hope that you will continue to be generous kasi marami kang nabless. And I also pray that God will continue to bless you kasi alam ko naman that you will share it generously sa iba.
Hi, Ta! Ta, ano? Happy birthday! Anong tawag yan? Ano ngayon? Oh, sige. God bless na lang, Ta.
Happy birthday, Ta. Maraming pagkain naman dyan. Ilang taon na ba? Ano na nga yata? 30? 30 na? Di bali. Ay, malapit na rin.
Hindi na kailangan ng edad. Basta birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Many more birthdays to come. And blessing, more blessing. God bless.
Go!
Happy birthday, Tita. Happy birthday, Tita. Birthday, Tita. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tita. Tita. Happy birthday, Tita.
Happy birthday, Ate Ta. Thank you sa pagiging mabuting ate mo. And thank you rin sa pagtulong kay Hunter. And thank you rin sa mga gandang advice mo para sa akin. Para sa future ko rin yan. And sana magkaanak ka na. Sana hindi ka magbago. Sana pagpalain ka pa ni God sa maraming blessing ibigay sa'yo. And thank you rin sa lahat. Happy birthday! Kinakabahan ako dito eh.
Hi, Ta. Happy birthday. Bago ka balog. Hindi ko alam kung kailan yung birthday mo. Basta nag-greet lang ako ng happy birthday. Si Tito Edwin mo to.
Happy birthday, ate! Wish namin sana makapagbakasyon na ulit kayo dito. Enjoy your day, ate! Good health palagi! Ingat kayo lahat dyan. More birthdays to come!
Happy ate. Happy ate. Happy birthday, ate.
Ate, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ate, happy birthday. And ang wish ko sa'yo ay good health, long life. Syempre good career kasi alam ko nag-work ka ng bonggang-bongga for our family. And also, thank you for loving my baby boy na si Witty kahit sobrang kulit at malikot siya. What do you want to say to ate, my love? What do you wanna say? Aray ko, hindi siya iya magpapaano. What do you wanna say? Oh, wow! Kinikindatan ka niya. Kindat. Happy birthday, ate! We love you so much! Mwah! Bye!
Happy birthday, Tata! 36 ka na. Kailangan mag-ano ka na sa
Plano ka
sarili
sa
na.
buhay mo.
Opo. Happy birthday, ate! God bless you! Love you, love you!
Ang plano ninyo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, boo. Wish you all the best. And alam mo naman palagi na dito lang ako para sa'yo. I love you. Enjoy your day.